we really need to engage your brain, okay? So we really need to just focus on the coordination of the arms, okay? Forget the feet for now, forget anything we're doing with the feet. It's all about the coordination of the arms. And as we progress, we'll add the feet in. But for now, let's just stick to the arms. So we're going to start here. We take here, this is our starting position, okay? Now remember this part, going from here to here, here to here. Now I imagine that I've got a piece of string that's connected here to my finger, and it's like a puppet. It's been pulled up, so the elbow is being lifted. But the main important thing here is this movement. Okay, same with this one. I imagine that I've got a piece of string connected to my finger, and it's been pulled straight up to here. So we go straight to here. Other side. And it should happen seamlessly. Shouldn't be one then the other. So we're going to start here. We go, starting here, in. So we change the arm. This one cuts down, this one comes in. From here, we're going to switch to here. So we've got our hand facing our shoulder, this one straight up to the sky. Now remember, any time we put our arm up in the air, we don't want to pull it back here. We want it to go straight up in a diagonal, so it's in front here. You should be able to see it in your peripheral vision if you're looking straight ahead. You should be able to wiggle your fingers and see them, okay? So obviously that depends on your shoulder type. If you've got quite a loose shoulder, you might be able to come back without distorting any lines. But for the majority of us, we're going to need it slightly in front. So from here we go in, now we go up. We're going to switch. This one's going to come down and this one's going to go up. So we go up, then we go back to our starting place. Here, in, up, switch, start. In, up, switch, start. Let's really slow that down. In, up, switch it. Go back to your starting position. Here, in, up, switch, down. Now we do that 3 times. On the 4th time, we're going to take the arm out. We're going to swing the arms round and down, so that here we're going to lead with the back of the hand. We go in and down, and then we start on the other side. So we're going to pull up a piece of string here, whoosh, to repeat on the other side. So it goes from the beginning. We start here. In, up, switch, start. In, up, switch, start. In, up, switch, and start. Out, round, down, other side. Now we reverse. So we go in, up, switch, and start. In, up, switch, and start. Last time. In, up, switch, and start. From here we go out, down, and here. Okay? Nice and steady, and we'll get faster as we go. I'm not going to speak. It's up to you now. Here we go.